Hello everyone. I hope you're fine. So today we'll be doing question 8, still continuing with the May June 2023 paper. So now it's now the real things. In the diagram, a triangle RDS, and then it's drawn. ABC are points on RD and RS and DS respectively, such that AB, which is this one and this one, it is parallel to DC. You see, parallel. And then RB, which is this one, there's a ratio there which is 5:3. So you can write your RB as what, 5p, and then this is what, 3p, because remember you can't just write a number. This is a ratio, so you must include an alphabet there, because of the proportionality things, what. So now I've written my thing. So this is equals to 20, CS is equals to 20. So I'm given. Now let's go to questions there. Prove, given reasons, that BC, it is parallel to AD. So now, as you can see, they are trying to say, prove that this is what, parallelogram. As you can see, prove that this one, it is parallel to that one. But now you'll have to check at the same time. I have what, CS and what, DS. They are actually linking with what you are trying to prove. So we can actually use this DC and CS and what, RB and PS. I want to show you something there. They are in proportion. So now let's go to questions. What you can actually do there. So now, what you can actually do is to do this. The first thing that you can do, let's write it like this. I will say CS, right? CS over what? CD. It is equals to what? BR over what? PS. So let me do things clearly for you here so that you can see. But let's now do our things slowly. Now I'm getting this is what I'm gonna use. Let me start with this one. CS over CD. So what is my CS there? I was given because it was what? 12. What is my CD? 20. But can you simplify this? Yes, I can, because the common number that it can be used, it is 4. 4 goes 3 times into 12, so I can simplify this 3 over. It goes 5 times into 5, so into 20, so it will be 3 over 5. You can take a calculator and use it. It will give you 3 over 5. But what, at the same time, you were told that BS and BR, it is what, 5 and 3. So it basically means to go to BS and BR. I need to know what you can either start here to there, or there to there, or there to there. You see, just like that. So when I'm writing it in this form, it is equals to what, 3 over 5. You see. So now you can now conclude, because you just used what you had, and you can even conclude because these things are in proportion, guys. So you can say, therefore, my BC, it is what, parallel to 80. What is the reason? There is a line there, so you can say line divides two sides that of a triangle, because there's a triangle there. So the line divides two sides of a triangle which is in proportion. Everything must have a reason, guys. You see, just like that. Now let's check. It is further given that RD. So it is further given that RD, it is equals to 48 units. And then calculate, given reasons, the value of the ratio AD and AB. So this is what I'm actually trying to use. I need to using this one. So now, as you can see, this is a parallelogram. What are the properties? You know what, the lines are parallel, and then this one is also equals to that one. Okay? So if now my DC it is equals to 20, it basically means that my AB is also equals to 20. Yabon? And then check. It is further given that RD it is equals to 48. I'm given there. And then calculate given reasons the value of the ratio AD and AB. So basically they want the value of AD and the value of AB, but when you must represent it in a ratio form. So this is how you're gonna do it. So now check. I need to know what AD which you had over what RD. I said guys you can represent it in any form. AD and what RD, right? It is equals to what? Let me check here. There are two triangles there. There's the AD and RD. So I can also use what? BS and what? RS, because I'm given. So it will be what? BS over RS. What is the reason? Proportion theorem. But whereby what? AB it is parallel to DS. DC, man. Just like that. Okay? Is it fine now? Let me check something there. I wanna check something. What did I write here? Oh, AP, ne? Because of AP, it has to be parallel to DS, not DC. DS. I made a mistake. DS. It is the proportionality theorem. It is the proportionality theorem because I involved the two sides of the triangle. So AP it is perpendicular to, is parallel to DS. Okay. Now let's continue. What is my AD there? My AD it is the one that they want because it is part of that ratio there. So it will be what? AD over what? What is my RD? I was given that it is what? 48 units. Right? And then what is my BS there? I told you it will be 3p over what? BSc 5p. But this one will cancel. And we didn't want to write answers only because these are what ratios. So what is 48 times 3? What is 48 times 3? I need to have to do the maths there. So what is 48 times 3? 48 times 3. Let me take out my calculator here so that we can finish things faster now. (48 times 3). I get, I was busy with my things. 144. So then I have what? 144. Let me write it this side, and then this one will multiply to that one, right? So let's continue. Wait. I made a mistake. I said RS. I said what? RS. So it has to be 5 plus 3. So which is what? 8p here. I made a mistake. So it will has to be what? 8AD. You see? And then say 144 divided by 8. It is what? 18. I made a mistake there. So therefore, my AD it is equals to 18 units. Because like check guys, RD ne and RS are those ones that are in proportion. I need to have AD and RD, BS and RS. Because I said AD, RD, BS, RS. You see, they are in proportion. So that's what I had. But I'm not done, guys. But I know that my AD it is equals to what? Let me check here. You'll have to be careful now, because now you just have to use what? Your maths there, because now they want what? AD and AP. Did we find our AD? Yes, we did it. We found it as what? As 18, right? So now we have to find what? DC. But I just said DC it is equals to AP, right? So now you'll have to say I need to AD this 18. So let me continue this side. You can now say what? DC it is equals to what? A, B. And which is equals to what? 20 units, because of what? Opposite sides that are parallel. And therefore my ratio will be like what? A D is to A B. When I'm gonna represent it, it will be what? What is my AD there? It will be 18 is to what? 20. You see? And then when I'm gonna represent it in the ratio form, it can be what? 9 is to 10. You see? That's how it is. So the answer there, it is what? 9 is to 10. You just have to check your triangle and check the things that are in proportion there, guys. Very, very, very important. So this is how we did it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.